Kulwant Kaur is 62 years of age. She's come on a solo trip, belongs to classical, old world, North Indian kind of milieu. Uh, she has fulfilled all the roles that society has bestowed upon her, that of a wife, that of a mother, that of a woman. And now she is desperate to get out of all these roles that kind of have been burdened on her. And the question she's asking is, when will I be free really? And when will I really get to live my life on my terms without the roles that I occupy?